What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Edible Fitness, the fitness you can eat. So, what are we making today? Well, it's meal prep time. Are you ready? Let's get started. But wait, before you watch the rest of this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, let's go. Right, so we are going to start. This is kind of meal prep, like I said. So what we're doing today is seasoned minced beef. We're doing some sweet potatoes and we're doing some broccoli. Throw them all together in a little Tupperware and you're good to go for the rest of the week. So how I like to prepare my minced beef. This is lean, so it's gonna give a little less fat when it cooks out. So I'm going to let this go for a little bit. Like I said, this is really quick. It's not going to take a lot of time at all. I'm going to let this cook a little bit and then I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients and the seasoning. And it's going to be great. Alright, while the beef is getting ready, I'm going to take my sweet potatoes. Again, you saw at the beginning, I just scraped them off obviously and then cut them into decent sized chunks. Then I'm going to steam them for a little bit. Very simple. And those will be ready to go by the time the beef is ready. Done. Finished here. The sweet potatoes are almost done. The broccoli is almost done, and I'm just waiting till I get a lot of the fat gone. Once it starts to really evaporate, so a lot of it has been reduced a lot. So I'm just waiting a little bit longer, and then it'll be ready to eat. It'll be ready to pack up. Obviously, you don't want to put it in your Tupperware yet, but let it cool down. But if you want to eat it right now, definitely not a bad thing. There we go. This is so good. You guys need to give this a try. You know I always say that, but it is the truth. You gotta give this a try. It's just so, I'm just gonna, it's just so good. I have to eat it myself. Listen, okay, while I'm snacking, you go and make yours, but before you go and do that, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment below. As well as, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new and awesome videos just like this one. All right, I'm gonna go snack on this a little bit more, maybe even eat it. I don't know, we'll see. And I will see you right back here next time on Edible Fitness. Bye.